What's going on, family? The moment of truth is finally here. Man, UPS just delivered this box, not UPS, but USPS just delivered this box to me right here. These are the KSFN hats right here. I just cracked it open. I haven't even taken them out. We're gonna do this here together. So I ordered a couple of hats for myself just because I wanted to make sure these were gonna be good quality. I wanted to make sure that it was gonna be good quality. This is how they come packaged. They come in a nice box. Hats come in a nice plastic bag. And wow! We're gonna open these here together today, family. Woo! Your boy is excited. I ordered myself too, just to make sure. This here, the camo with the stitched in with the embroidery on there. What? It's too tight. It's too tight. Too tight still. Come on, man. My head ain't that big. Let's go. There we go. Right there. Bow! Your boy's branded with the big KS logo. That's the KS one right there. Boom. It's in there, baby. Then I got the black wool with the colors on there and the KSFN on there. It came out filthy, family. Woo! This came out filthy. This came out filthy. What? Your boy got his logo on a hat now. What? Talk to me, family. Talk to me. Tell me something. Huh? Woo! So they're available in multiple colors. Go to the website ksfngear.com, www.ksfngear.com. Grab your hats, grab your t-shirts. You know, we got to move your body. Grab your hat, grab your move your body t-shirt, rock the brand. Come on, family, let's go. Ah!